Sports conditioning robotics makers Tenniix has launched what could be quite literally a game-changer for tennis players of any level, with its AI-powered robot coach that glides around the court and responds to your movement in real time. Now, we're yet to be put through our paces by Tenniix, but San Francisco's Tenniix has a solid track record of developing and delivering innovative training and conditioning tools, dating back to 2018. It's also offering guaranteed delivery and a 1-year warranty for anyone hesitant about Kickstarter. The reward, however, is getting 41% off the retail price of its featured model, the Tenniix Pro. Trained on more than 8,000 hours of professional coaching and gameplay, this 15.4-pound court challenger is much more than a mobile ball launcher. It has a movable base that lets it glide quickly around the court, and thanks to its 46 degrees horizontal gimbal and 50 degrees vertical launcher, can fire off everything from high lobs to baseline ground strokes to keep you on your toes. While it'll adjust to your level and is fully customizable with more than 1,000 drills, it can send you punishing 75 miles per hour serves if you like a challenge. The Tenniix module, if you get the Ultra or Pro, or add it into the basic package, comes with a wristband voice control device and an app that will store your data gathered from the robot's on-court assessment of your sessions. Ultra and Pro also come with the Vision module that sits atop the robot and displays real-time feedback to improve your game. It can also hold 100 balls, and all models are fitted with a 1080p camera for real-time tracking and responding, so it's intended to deliver the kind of dynamic rallying of real gameplay. Sadly, it does not come with a robot ball boy, so you'll have to do that duty for now. The system is battery-powered and one charge will be enough for 4,000 serves across 4 hours, which, to be honest, is about 3 hours longer than I last on court. As of now, the campaign had attracted more than 340 pledges, and hit its fundraising target just 5 minutes after it launched. You can see a range of professional players and coaching staff facing off against Tenniix on YouTube, and check out all the specs on the campaign site. The robot comes in 3 formats: Basic, Pro and Ultra. The Pro is featured, the movable base is an added extra. The Ultra comes with everything. The basic unit is available for $699, the Pro is $999 and the Ultra is $1,499. Note that while it'll ship worldwide, different components will be rolled out across several months, however, there's no extra cost involved.